Ready? What's up, guys? It's the night before the Union Dragway race this weekend down here in South Carolina. They're doing a test and tune before. So.
We're really excited because the lighting is pretty decent in the back end of the track. And usually we can't get that many decent night pictures.
Of course, tomorrow will be afternoon, so.
Yeah, I mean, we'll do a little bit of night pictures tonight at the test and tune, but we're excited.
Yeah, I like the track so far. It looks really tricky. Billy's first test hit was a little too spicy.
I think everyone's first test hit was a little too spicy.
Everybody looks a little overconfident, but we'll see what happens.
Talk about what camera settings you're on right now.
No, you film both of us. Just stick the camera on me.
Blooper. He's pissed.
I like to make you uncomfortable on camera.
It's pretty easy to do.
So it's the next day. What were you going to say?
I was just going to say we wanted to talk about our camera settings a little bit because we saw a couple comments.
Hey, I'm getting there.
Okay. So we wanted to talk about our camera settings for this event. So it's kind of dull out right now, pretty cloudy. Turn the camera the other way.
I can see the sky.
There's sky behind us.
Yeah, it'll look cool in editing. It's better than like the last couple events when it's just like middle of the afternoon and the sky is just like white and it just looks ugly and it's kind of hard to edit until, you know, later on when there's a sunset, it just looks better. So yeah, when there's like clouds like there is now, pictures will look a little better. What settings are you rocking?
So to start out, my shutter speed is at 64.
640.
640. I'm new to this. I have my f-stop at 4.0 and then I have an ISO 160.
Sounds like you copied my settings.
It sounds like I definitely didn't copy your settings because I know your shutter speed's at 320. Anyways, what I was saying, these are just the settings we're starting with. All throughout the day we kind of change our settings as we go. It's kind of hard to talk about what settings you're at and what you should be at because I think you consistently need to be changing depending on the car, how the lighting changes throughout the day.
My night pictures sucked last night.
Yeah, we kind of hyped up these night pictures and then as we started taking them, the lights started turning them green and pink and it looked terrible on the laptop. Anyways, what I was saying, like in the GoPro footage, sometimes you can see us just adjusting our settings as we go because I don't really stick to consistent settings and I don't think he does either.
Generally though, I keep my shutter speed above 320 or above, and then as you know, like middle of the day, I'll go like f3.2 or to 4.0, and then as it gets darker, I'll open it up a little more, and then I don't ever mess with ISO until I absolutely have to.
Yeah, I try to keep my ISO as low as possible at night.
Yeah. I had mine cranked last night. I
had mine cranked too, and it definitely showed up in the pictures, but we didn't really have a choice because everything was just black.
My arm's getting tired.
I know. Exactly.
All right, well, Billy's gonna draw trips here soon, and then we'll get first round started. There's not a lot of rubber down. I mean, it looks like it, but there's really nothing there, so it's gonna be tricky. It'll take a lot out the back, but you can't really have any wheel speed going into the back end.
I'm so nervous to talk on camera, and then he takes the phone and just starts filming himself everywhere.
I was showing the track.
Oh.
Sorry.
How long does it normally take you to upload videos from the events to the channel?
3-4 days, if that. Just depends how, you know, tired we are after an event and too lazy to get to it. But it usually only takes a day of editing.
Guys that drag races at Cranky Yankee, he bought calipers that are 4 pounds lighter.
7.5 hour drive.
I got Be careful, man. This move might be wanted.
Good luck, guys. The man, the myth, the legend.
Are we ready? Probably like
You're very photogenic.
Oh, I'm sure
What's going on? Good luck.
everything's caution. Yeah, I mean, if you turn around and look,
yeah, that's true.
tire pressure you on the car. 10 pounds in there? That thing rippled up. Oh, yeah. That's right. That's a little that's a little Firestone, man. Yeah. They used to, back in the day, in our day, in the 80s, Firestone had the first real 10.5, 28, 10.5. There was an article one time about when the old super stock or stock cars, they were eliminating that, and guys would go out and buy hundreds of them. So they could continue to run them.
Who'd you draw?
They went to Phoenix. Yeah, that's my first set.
Who broke? Huh. How many cars were there? 24? 28.
Big 7 next round.
So can you still get a buy even though you got a comp buy? Sweet. All right. Good luck. Careful.
I bet you they got the.
Gave Pendle a run for his money.
That bumper needs to be lined up in the car.
You know it from the tires. That's A to B pass. I didn't hear a pedal.
Right here now, y'all bring them straight out.
It's easy. Like all filming.
We're good.
That's the whole bet.
My slave tying my shoe for me.
Is that how you feel about me?
Yeah, that's how I feel about you. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
What's up, guys? We made it home from our trip to Union Dragway. It's Monday, and for those of you who watch my dad's channel, you know we're building a shipping and receiving area. and today is the day I'm moving all the merch. Most of you don't know I do all my brother's shipping, but everybody makes fun of my turdy blazer, but they're not making fun of it when it's hauling literally all of our merch in one trip from my brother's office to now our new one at my parents'. So yeah, if you guys made it this far, I appreciate you guys watching the videos on our new channel. Me and Allison have been really grinding this out. Maybe soon we'll get monetized, and I think we only need like 1,000 more watch hours, and we can start making a little bit of side money off of YouTube and putting it towards some new camera equipment and some other stuff we really need. Allison's still in college and I need gas money, so so I thank you guys for watching the videos and being really supportive. I wasn't sure what it was going to turn out to be, but I'm starting to really like what we're doing. So here soon we'll start taking some footage of us putting together my motor. I don't know if I'll put it on my channel or if it'll be on Billy's, but I can't wait to get back to racing. It'll be tough trying to race and keep doing this, but I'll try and balance it the best I can. I got to focus on racing mostly because, you know, that's the fun part. But yeah, I can't wait to get back to it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll be at Wilkesboro in North Carolina, and then we're gonna try and get my truck done for Dig or Die the weekend after, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. But you know, Dig or Die is always fun, so we're really looking forward to that. So thank you guys, appreciate you. See you guys in the next one.